What's up, folks, and welcome back to Dyce Reacts. Back at you with another banger. Yes, folks, I'm in my studio. I'm in Dyce React studio, and I am about to drop some bangers for you guys tonight. Oh yeah, we are gonna be checking out Selves and Crofts. The name of the track is called Summer Breeze. It's an official audio. Selves and Crofts. Man, what a name for a band. Hit me up in the comments. I want to know the definition. It sounds like there's a definition to the Selves and Crofts. I have no idea what genre. First time I'm hearing this band. Very much excited to check this one out. So we ain't gonna waste no more time. We're just gonna get right into it, folks. We're gonna get right into it. Oh yeah. Ooh, acoustic.
See the curtains hanging in the window in the evening on a Friday night. Little light is shining through the window, lets me know everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
We're gonna take a pause here. This part sounds familiar. Like I've heard this part in a song before. Maybe it was sampled. Like I think it's like a hip hop song or something of that sort. Yeah. It just rings a bell. We are gonna take it back a bit, folks. So far I'm loving it. Very cool, chilled, relaxed, laid back song. And guys, you know I love my acoustic guitar, and I guess it's Selves and Crofts, man. I don't know what it means, but it's Selves and Crofts. I don't know what this means, guys, but I'm using this term. I just like the way it sounds. Selves and Crofts. Yes.
See the paper laying on the sidewalk, a little music from the house next door. So I walk on up to the doorstep, through the screen and across the floor. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Sweet days of summer, the jasmine's in bloom. July is dressed up and playing her tune, and I come home from a hard day's work. See the smile waiting in the kitchen, food cooking and the plates for two. Feel the arms that reach out to hold me in the evening when the day is through. Summer
And this little solo there. Dun, 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 dun. Man, it sounds so familiar. I'm trying to put my finger on it. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, this has to be a 70s song because I'm also hearing like an 80s um, song as well in terms of the sampling. Like, I think there was an 80s song that actually sampled part of this song because I'm hearing two songs like that were like sampled, like a hip hop and an 80s song. I can't be wrong. I can't be wrong. Something. No, 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 no. This is bothering me. I can't think of the artist, man. We're gonna take it back a bit.
Makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, blowing through the jasmine in my mind.
I love the keys at the end there. Yes, guys, this was fantastic. I enjoyed every minute of it. But my head, man, I was just scratching my head. Like I'm hearing two songs in one. Like I've heard those two parts in other songs. I think it had to be sampled. Like I'm hearing a hip hop. I'm also hearing an 80s love song, you know, sung by a female for one of the parts, for one of the samples, you know. And I'm just trying to put my finger on it, but I can't. I just sometimes when I'm hearing when a song sounds like it has been sampled, I just can't remember. Sometimes when I'm done, like hours after I'm done, I remember, you know, 10 out of 10, fantastic song. I love the whole nature of the song, the ambience of it, and I can tell that this song is a major, well, was a major hit in its time. You know, it's a hit song. I can just tell by just the way everything is laid out. Seals and Crofts. I don't know what it means. I mean, I see two individuals on the cover, but it's Seals and Crofts. Sounds like there's a definition to it, not just actual names of the individuals. I don't know. Fans, hit me up in the comments. What is there to know about Seals and Crofts? And was this track a hit song in its time? Okay, I need to know. And was it sampled? And is it a popular song that has been sampled? Because it sounds like this. Yes. Fans of Seals and Crofts, what should I check out next from them? And I will try my best to deliver. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends and your family. It'll certainly help me out there on this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. Dyce Reacts got your back. Feel free to leave some suggestions. Engage with the audience, because that's what we're here for. On this channel, we are here for one another, folks. So don't you ever forget that. I'm going to be doing better reactions tonight, so you guys stick around for that. I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. This is going to be it for my reaction. This is where I'm going to be making my exit. So until next time, peace out.